small letter R. In previous video we did small letter Q, and today I will teach you how to write small letter R. So have a look. These two are blue lines. Okay, small letter R we have to write in this blue line only. First we have to make one standing line like this. Then we have to make one curve like this. This is called small letter R. Again we have to write small letter R. First we have to make one standing line from this blue line to this blue line. Then we have to make one curve. Curve should be touched this blue line, upper blue line like this. Again, first we have to make one standing line and then curve like this. This is called small letter R. One standing line and then curve. Okay. Again we will see how to write small letter R. First standing line like this and then curve like this. This is called small letter R. R for rose. This is called small letter R. First we have to make one standing line, small standing line, and then a small curve like this. It is simple to write small letter R. First you have to make one standing line and then you have to make one curve, small curve like this. This is called small letter R. R for rain. R for rain. R for rain. R for red. R for rose. Again. R for rain. R for rain. R for red. And R for rose. I hope you understand how to write small letter R. It is simple. You have to make one standing line first and then you have to make a curve, and we have to write small letter R in blue line only. Now we will do one activity related to small letter R. Now we will do one activity, and that is circle the small letter R. That means we have to circle small letter R. You can see that I draw picture. Which picture is this? Yes, this is a picture of a ring. Okay, and in this picture I wrote some alphabets. Now what we have to do? We have to find small letter R and then we have to do circle. See, which letter is this? This is capital R. So we have to do circle here? No, because this is capital R. We have to circle only small r. This is small r? Yes. So we have to do circle. Yes. Which letter is this? P. So we have to do circle? No, because this is a letter P. We have to circle only letter R. Which letter is this? Small letter Q. So we don't want to circle it. This is, yes, small r. So we have to do circle. This letter is S. So we have to do circle? No. This is R. Small r. We have to do circle? Yes. This is B. Small letter B. We have to do circle? No. This is small r. We have to do circle? Yes. No. Okay. Now, which picture is this? Rectangle. R for rectangle. Now we have to find small letter R here and then we have to do circle. Which letter is this? Capital N. We have to do circle? No. Which letter is this? Small r. So we have to do circle? Yes. This is capital D. This is small m. This is F. Capital F. We have to do circle? No. This is small r. We have to do circle? Yes. So we do circle? Yes. And this is also small r. So we have to do circle here. This is C. So we have to do circle? No. We have to do circle on letter R only. So which letter is this? G. And this is H. We have to do circle? No. This is again small letter R. So we have to do circle like this. This is also small letter R. So circle it. This is capital I. We have to circle it? No. We have to circle only small letter R. This is small letter R. We have to circle it. Yes. This is also small letter R. We have to circle it. And this is capital L. We have to do circle? No, because this letter is not a small letter R. We have to circle only small letter R. Okay. First picture is ring and second picture is R for rectangle. Now we will moving towards our next picture. That is rain drops. Okay. What is this? This is raindrops. And what is this? This is cloud. Now what we have to do? We have to find small letter R. Where is small letter R? And we have to do circle. This is small letter R? No. This is P. So we don't want to circle it because we have to circle only small letter R. This is small letter R? Yes. So what we have to do? Circle. Then do. Yes. Now which letter is this? O. We don't want to circle it. Which letter is this? Small r. We have to do circle or not? No? We have to do circle because we have to find small letter R only. This is? Yes, this is also small letter R. So we have to do circle here. Which letter is this? T, capital T. We have to do circle? No, we have to circle small letter R. Now which letter is this? Small letter R. So we have to circle. Now last letter. Which letter is this? V. V for van. So we have to do circle here? No. Okay. Again we will see. Which activity is this? Circle the small letter R. Okay. In first picture we circle only small letter R. First what we have to do? We have to find small letter R. And then we have to circle that small letter R. First picture is of rain and we find small letter R and then we did circle. Second picture is of rectangle. We find small letter R and then we did circle. See, this is small r, this is also small r. This all are small r's. So we did circle on it. And this is raindrop. Okay, this is a picture of a raindrop. We circle on small r. Okay, I hope you understand this activity. You have to do practice of this activity at home. Okay, with the help of flashcards, we will do alphabets. Okay, now which letter is this? capital M and small m. Okay? Which letter is this? This is capital M and small m. M for mat and M for man. Okay? Picture of mat and man. Now, which letter come after M? Can you tell me? Yes, N. This is capital N and small n. N for net and N for nose. Where is our nose? This one. N for net, N for nose. Now, which letter come after N? M, N and then O. Capital O and small o. O for octopus and O for ostrich. Okay. Now, which letter come after O? M and O, then P. P. Capital P and small p. P for penguin and P for pillow. Now, can you tell me which letter come after P? M, N, O, P, then Q. Yes, capital Q and small q. Q for queen and Q for quill. Now, which letter come after Q? M, N, O, P, Q, then R. Yes, capital R and small r. I told you na, capital R, small r for rocket and R for rain. R for rain. Okay. I hope you understand how to write small letter R, and this activity circle the small letter R. You have to do practice of small letter R and this activity at home. You have to take care of yourself. We will meet soon. Till then, bye bye and have a nice day.